Hey babes, so today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning holiday look using this Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette. I came up with this look a while back, and let me tell you the backstory. I wanted to create a pink, warm, but playful look paired with earthy brown, colors that create a beautiful harmony, classy, timeless, elegant look.
Now is the perfect time to be a makeup girly. Let me teach you. Oops, almost forgot my sparkle. Now that's perfect.
So let's get started, ladies. Starting out with my Born This Way concealer. As you all probably know by now, this is a great product for shaping and defining my eyebrows. Starting out with this concealer, I'm shaping the under edges of my eyebrows to define my arch. I like to use a flat brush to blend the concealer evenly. This really helps to highlight the brow bone and giving you that clean and sharp look. Next up, you all know I love the MAC Paint Pot Concealer. Here, I'm using it to prime my eyes, setting the perfect base for my eyeshadow. This helps the colors to pop, stay vibrant throughout the day. No moving, no budging, no creasing. So we're just gonna blend that out. This is going to ensure a smooth and even base, helping the colors to transition beautifully and seamlessly, ladies. Okay, ladies, for our transition shade for this look, we are going to be using this, I don't know what it's called because they don't have the names on here, but we're just going to call it Chestnut Brown from the Morphe 39L palette. I don't know, I just got a brain fart, but anyway, this adds depth to the crease. It makes for a good hell, y'all know what I'm talking about. It makes the shit smooth, okay? Smooth blend with the other damn colors. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't know why I just had a brain fart just then. Anyway, let's just get back to it, y'all. For our crease shade, we will be using this rich burgundy from the same palette. This will create contrast between our colors, and it will also make our natural eye colors pop. No matter what colors you have, this will make your eyes look beautiful. To make your eyeshadows more vibrant, ladies, you're going to use MAC Fix Plus spray. You're going to give it a spritz once or twice. This technique is going to help the colors be more vibrant and bold on your eyelids. Also, I know y'all seeing me looking crazy, but I'm just mapping out where I need my deep shade to go on my eyelid, only because I have hooded eyes, and if you're like me and you struggle with you can't see the dark shade when your eyes is open, this is gonna help. Blend, 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 ladies. Don't forget to blend. So back into our MAC paint pot, set our base for our next color. Again, don't forget you need a solid foundation in order for everything else to flow correctly on top. So please make sure that you blend and that you have enough product on, so that way your next colors and your next shades, whether dark or light, can blend out evenly. Next, we're using the deep chestnut color from the palette Master Matte by Mario. This shade will add depth and dimension to our look, making our eyeshadow appear more defined and dramatic. Okay, ladies, now for the star of the show. We're back into our 39L Morphe palette and using the matte deep pink. We're packing on this gorgeous pink shade onto our eyelids, making the shade extremely vibrant and eye-catching. By packing this on, we're making sure the shade really pops, adding a festive, bold touch. To top it off, we're going to go in with this dazzling pink. It's like a champagne type of pink, and add it to the inner corners of our eyes. So I apologize for not finishing the rest of the video, y'all, but my camera said that it doesn't have any more storage, so I have to run and go get another memory card. I hope you guys love this look. I hope you guys try it and let me know what people say, and also let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.